Dog, I'm about to fucking start this video, right? I already marked out everything. I'm like, bro, I said I need to lock in on YouTube. Bro, tell me why. I figured out why this face cam's been bugging like shit, dog. Elgato discontinued the app so that people don't do that and you have to buy their camera. Bro, I'm not even profitable. Why am I gonna buy a camera? Alright, it's 9:22. Let's see how long. I'm gonna come back when I have an app. Okay, wait, let me make sure. Yeah. Alright, bro, I got this dumb app. The camera's like backwards and stuff, can't see it. Whatever. And it's flipped, so it's like weird. This is like the wrong. This is actually my right arm. Like the camera's flipped. But, bro, now it's fucking 9:29 and I still haven't. Whatever. Alright, so. Alright, so yesterday tariffs got delayed. So we broke structure right here on the daily. Broke structure on the 4-hour. We have this 4-hour gap right here. What the fuck? Right there. So yeah, we tapped into that. So literally all the way until down here, we could see a reaction. So I'm gonna mark that out with a blue line, 1 pixel. And then I'm gonna mark out draws on liquidity on the 4-hour. Fuck, I forgot I have to do it on this one too. Bro, I want to get one of those fucking, what are they called? Indicators that just do that shit for you, bro. I'm not trying to mark this out every day. No, I think it's a good thing to mark it out every day. You get a better feel for it. We have that low. Yeah, that low. And then we got that low. And this low. And then for highs, we got this one. We got this one. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to target anything higher than that. I'm going to go down to the 1-hour. We have this 1-hour high, right? Hold up. 1-hour high right here. And right here. Yeah, same fair value gap on the 1-hour pretty much. We'll just move it there. Probably same on the 15, yeah. And I'm gonna do, like, I'm gonna keep moving it up just so if I do decide to target that as like a take profit, it's higher probability. Okay, cool. We have that 15-minute high. Boom. So overall right now, I don't know. We're in bullish structure on the 4-hour, 1-hour. Well, actually on the 1-hour, we broke structure to the downside. So what I'd like to see happen, same with the 15, what I'd like to see happen is come down into the 4-1 15-hour, 15-minute, 1-hour, and 4-hour fair value gap, and then get a reaction out of that, probably. But we just gotta see what market is wanting to give us. Throw this on, yeah. Asian and London lows right there. And right there. Is that lower? Yeah, it is. Okay, so we have an SMT right there. Lower there, and then higher there. So shit, I'm not feeling it today. Like the energy, the vibe, nothing. Alright, so yeah, that's that. We're gonna see what market gives us. I don't know why, bro. The chart looks weird to me today, does it not? Like every candle is kind of like taller than usual. I don't know, bro. I need a bigger screen. Like my laptop screen is this big, dog. So tiny. So and then when I do double charting, so I can see like SMTs and stuff, bro, even worse. But all right, we'll just mark that out. And yeah, let me freaking pause this. Yo, what up? All right, bro, 10:35, and we're finally getting down to it. Let me hold up. Let me get my camera up. Fuck, hold up. Let me. I have to open the app, I think. Yeah. All right, there we go. Cool. All right. So we got this liquidity sweep, 5-minute break of structure into the order block. Order block, breaker below, okay, whatever you want to call it. And then I believe we also we hit equilibrium too. So now we'll scale down to the 1 minute and look for a reaction and a break of structure right there. Could have entered there, should have. All right, so let's enter 2 contracts. Stops at that low. 800. Fuck, bro. I'm like overdoing it, I swear. 500. Shit entry, bro. Shitty entry, dog. So we're targeting right there. Bro, I was too slow, dog. I should have entered down here. Fuck. It's whatever. Just gotta get faster, get better. Alright, so yeah. That's what we're looking at. What else is there to say? So yeah. Anything we should be careful of, really? Not sure. Maybe this fair value gap. I need to be careful. We've gotten reactions off of it before. So I'll be careful of that one. Oh, it's a 1 minute. I don't care about it then. Thought it was on 5. All right. Probably put it here actually. And then I want to try something. I think you limit sell. Fuck, I don't want to accidentally cancel it. I think it's not. Yeah, okay, perfect. So we're going to sell 1 contract at that high and then another one at this high. All right, and what do we need to be careful of? Equilibrium right there, so we need to be careful of that. So we'll leave that there just so we can see. And then we go from here to here. Oh, wait, wrong way. If we go here to here, 2.5 would be somewhere right here. 2 would be right here. Okay. 2 and 2.5 are good take profit points, by the way. So I think 2 would be like halfway here. So if we go, it'll be right here. So yeah, this first one should be safe. But yeah, this is the trade we're looking at. And I'll update y'all depending on how things go. Wait, where did we enter? We entered at 18,765, right? Yeah, 18,765. Whatever, 25 cents off, it don't matter. Is that the one I'm targeting? Yeah. Alright, cool. So 1 to 1.1. Alright, let's see how this goes. Not the best trade. Like I said, really wish I got filled down here or something. I would have taken from a 1.1 to like a 2.4. Sucks. But you know, it is what it is, man. 765. Whatever, we'll just leave it there. Alright. Really bad trade, actually. Fill wise. It does look like a good trade, but I'm just talking about like in the fact that my order got filled so high. I wish I was quicker, but fucking setting up the YouTube video. Anyways, I feel like I'm missing something. On the 4 hour. Yeah, we came into the gap. Alright, well, now we just sit back and try to not think about it. I'll update y'all depending, well, not depending. I'll update y'all when we get stopped out or when we hit TP. Okay, wow, never mind. Fuck me, bro. Got stopped out because apparently I'm on the max drawdown, so I blew my first funded. Fuck, this looks like a banger trade. I might just cop a new one right now and hit and get in. Fuck. You know, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna try to cop a new one real quick, and if we can get a good entry, then I'll enter. Alright, first funded blown. Not surprised after how last week went. Not too upset just because I know I'm at peace, or I understand why. Last week, so much news and shit, so volatile. Yet I was trading. I shouldn't have been trading. All right, that was fast. Hold up. Well, I don't need my face cam. I just got a new one. Sucks. Blew my first funded on the stereotype. It's whatever though. You know. Back to max limit at 48,000. So right now, instead of just entering, I'm going to look for an entry. Everything's good except on the 1 minute. I want to see break of structure, inverse fair value gap, something like that. So on the 5 minute, let me mark out the order block that I had marked. Boom. And then, alright, so we're in equilibrium too. From there to there. And if we do this one, a little too low. So yeah, I'm just gonna, on the 1 minute, I'm just gonna look for inverse fair value gap or break of structure to enter. I'll update y'all if I enter. Oh, damn, that sucks, bro. I blew my first funded. It's okay, though. I was on good course to pass it, too. First day, made 1,200, then made like 400, but just last week with all the tariff news and everything, I shouldn't have been trading. I was over trading, revenge trading. I need to get all that under control. So this funded is going to be strict rules, everything followed, and we'll see what happens. Okay, good thing I didn't re-enter immediately. Wait, what the fuck? How? On Heroes Invalidated, on Top Step X, it wasn't. What the hell? What the hell? That's mad weird. Anyways, so yeah, looking further, I don't know, man. Like, I don't know. I'm good at trading, but then like in live market half the time I'm so bad. Like this looks like a good setup, but then when you look at it, it's like we weren't. It was just a 15-minute retrace. On the hourly, we're still pushing down. I don't know. I should have been looking for shorts, I guess, but hold on. But like I don't even know where to short. Like when market opened, 9:30. We never. I don't know. Maybe just not a trading day for me. I don't understand though. Weird. Alright, so I guess no trades for me. Yeah, I really don't know, dude. Weird. Just an overall downtrend. I'm expecting later today to get a reaction off the fair value gap. Bro, the chart's been looking like meme coins, bro. You would see this a lot with meme coins. It would be like, bro, it'd be like, shoot up, and then it will come down like meme, and then start rocketing up. Really weird. Anyways, so no trade for me. We have a new combine. I don't. We haven't swept out the order block on Top Step, which is weird. But yeah, no trades for me. So shitty day, blew my phone in, but it's whatever. We were so close to drawdown. It's honestly for the better that I have a new one. Tomorrow most likely no trade. So much red folder news, and it's a Friday, so yeah, I don't know. Got to do some back testing, some studying, but I don't know. That pisses me off. What pisses me off more than anything is when like my trade gets invalidated and shit. And I don't know why. I mean, it was a good setup, but I guess why is just because of the fact that it was a 15 retrace. 1 hour, we're still so bearish. So yeah, you know, that's just how it's gonna be. So the charts are different. Weird. Anyways, yeah, that'll be it for today. I'll see y'all guys tomorrow or some shit.